Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and that is a fresh start at the moment. I've just realized I didn't have audio on my previous live, so bosh, now that is done and we're live, which is good. We just had the report of crude oil. Let's go to the chart and see what has happened on the report. So let me open up this one. Right, not much of a volume on the report today, and that is purely because we had the rollover. Yeah, we got audio. We had a rollover overnight. Obviously, that has in fact had bearings on the market, and we haven't had that much of a volume of this report. But let's see, we're kind of just testing that resistance of $81 per barrel. Let's see if we can break that. It sees a long-standing resistance since 2 o'clock earlier. As you can see, we met it, and then we kind of sold off since then. Bounced off the 80.6. And then we continue kind of moving forward from there and upwards, which is good, if you ask me. But then natural gas, it's continues selling off today. If I go to, let's remove that June now, because that is done and dusted. So if you look at natural gas, what has happened? We're currently approaching the hourly moving average right here, as you can clearly see it. Let's see if we'll be able, in fact, to support around 2.85, or are we gonna break off that as well? Because 1 minute is a sell-off, 5 minutes is a sell-off, and then testing that moving average on the hourly time frame. Now let's go back to a crude oil and see, because we are pushing to break that resistance of $81 per barrel. Are we gonna be able to do that? Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to see what you guys think and what is your perception of the market as well whilst we're live trading, and then we can take it from there. I haven't traded live for a while. I know it's been now what, third day? I mean 2 days I haven't traded, and that's purely because I was migrating from the plus 500 to a trading 212. My funds were frozen for a couple of days whilst they were clearing off from plus 500, and then move them on to trading 212, but all good now. And I'm happy to be back live in my little studio. To be fair, I missed being live. So let's now get in the flow of the market and see if we'll be able to take up on a good trade whilst we live. Perhaps, let's see. Okay, natural gas is still selling off, so to speak. I'm up about what, 300 pounds so far on the day, which is a good day. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I could have made some more if I was to hold my short position with natural gas. All right, it's a huge sell-off at the moment on, what is this? This one is crude oil. Are we gonna break below the moving average is the big question, right? Somewhere here. Let me use the futures now of we're gonna hold that support. Okay, we kind of holding that support right here of the moving average. Are we bouncing off it? Just realized a bit difficult thing on YouTube, the moving average, so I may as well change the color of it. Let's do that. Settings, let's go for something more of a popping color. I really like the red, but let's make it more red, like this. All right, is that better? Hope it's better. Okay, we're bouncing off the moving average at the moment. Consolidating it is the most important thing right here, because we broke above it around 3 o'clock, and then we're kind of bouncing off at the moment, potentially testing that resistance we couldn't break at $81 per barrel. Would have been a nice winning trade potentially, but there is not much of a room between the resistance and the support at the moment. So let's see which way we're gonna break, and then I'll be then looking to potentially get on the next consolidation. And if that is downward, then I'm in for a short. If it's I continue up breaking, then hey, I'm in for a long position. But let's see, because the $81 per barrel is just here, and yeah, it's not much meat on the bone, to be fair. Okay, let me just put a couple more bits and pieces right here. Bid and ask. Okay, we're then gonna go to scale. We'll get bid and ask, and then I want also the timer as well. Countdown. Yeah, it's there already. Fantastic. It's much better, isn't it? It's I find it much better. Now we have the bid and ask compared to the plus 500. It's oh my days. It's like my grandma. I'll tell you that. Comparing the two platforms. To be fair, I was pleased, very pleased when I've seen Trading View. It's actually charting Trading 212. I couldn't believe it. I was like, yes. Bring me more, you know. So yeah, that's on this side of the things, and that is again another influence to get into this platform and leave plus 500 altogether. Okay, natural gas is finding some support right here, so be mindful of that. We just made a higher low, sorry. So be mindful of that when you'll be potentially looking for short sale of natural gas at the minute. And then crude oil, yeah, let's continue to the resistance of $81 per barrel, where is the ask at the moment. So let's see if we'll be able to break that. We'll need some good volume to break that resistance, if you ask me personally. In the meantime, let me go and delete that failed. Oh, sorry, that's another thing. Let me see up right here. Then I need to go to my studio. Let me get rid of the first live session today. Need to go to content, live. Is this one? Yeah. Okay, let me get rid of that. Okay, that's done. Right, okay. I'll focus back to futures, right? Yeah, we're still stuck at $81 per barrel at the minute with crude oil. Although we have gapped up slightly, not gonna lie, consolidating the moving average, good opportunity. But like I said, let's just wait, be patient and see. Okay, I'll get rid of this one. Then I want to do the same thing here. 1 5 hour daily. Okay, then this one will be called, I just love trading too, and so it's called a crude oil 4x4. It's 2x2, 2x2. Okay, let's move this one here now, and then let's add just a crude oil. Then we're looking at for July future. So cool, we just trying to break the $81 per barrel. So yeah, perhaps the consolidation here was a good long trade, but let's see. Let's wait and see. In the meantime, just keep an eye on natural gas. Just testing previous support now. All right, we broke the resistance of $81 per barrel now with crude oil. Yeah, let's see. Would have been a good, nice. Nice winning trade would have been. Are we gonna be able to hold that upward momentum with crude oil? It's a big question at the moment. We may as well do, because it was a rollover last night, so we may be in for a nice winning trade here. Let's see. Yeah, we continue pushing crude oil. Oh, that was a bearish, very bullish candle. Okay, testing previous heights right here. 81.08 as it is on the ask. Yeah, we're kind of finding some support on natural gas at the moment, 2.862, where the support stands at this very moment in time. Just want to see something, instrument details. Okay. Okay, expiry, that's right. Okay. That's an NG. Back to crude. Okay, so my leverage, it's... Yeah, my leverage is 1 to 10, same as plus 500, to be fair. Right, let's see if we're gonna break that resistance. If we are, I'm got it, honestly. We have finally broke a long-standing resistance of $81 per barrel the last couple of days, which was something very good and positive for swing traders, I suppose. So if I just zoom out, $80 per barrel, right around here. Yeah, long-standing. It was long-standing, especially on the daily charts. You can better see it. Where was that? $80 per barrel, right here. Yeah, couldn't break it back in January. We then fall below in November, January. We traded, give or take, somewhere there. Oh, $90 per barrel. It's probably even bigger resistance at the moment. Let's move back to a minute. I'll then go to auto. All right, we're kind of meeting the same resistance, guys, at $81 per barrel, give or take. So let's see if that's going to be enough to break it. Are we in for a nice break? Let's go, bulls. Come on. Show us what you got. Cool. Couple more minutes and I'm going to wrap up for today. Very brief, to be fair with you. I just want to do another thing. I'll add another one. Okay, I'll do that later when I'm not live. All right, resistance made a lower low, natural gas. Okay. Okay, continue selling off natural gas. And crude oil met some resistance. And I was in a short position right here, by the way. I thought, you know, we just like sold off to about 2.87. I thought we made a higher low, so potentially should be getting out from this trade. So I closed with 50 quids. I profit on this trade. I probably would have been out from the trade right somewhere here. So I did the right choice, but obviously we continue selling off from there. So yeah, it happens every now and then. Just took only 50 quid profit on this trade, but hey ho, it's one of them things. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today, guys. It has been a fantastic daily trade so far for me. I'm up about, what, £300, give or take. I'll be looking to take up on some more positions. I have found indeed that trading 2 on 2 incorporated with TradingView, it works much better for me. I can see the ask, I can see the bid, I can leverage my positions and whatnot. So it has proven to me to be a better trading platform, and that's what I'm going to be focusing on for the foreseeable future. I don't see any trading platform to offer me anything better than trading 2 on 2 at the moment. You can leverage your positions. I've got the same leverage of 1 to 10 on my position size, so definitely I'm all in sold on a trading 2 on 2. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic trading day ahead. I'll be live trading tomorrow, same time, same place, same tickers, natural gas and crude oil, and I'm here to help you, give you some good insights, and hopefully we can trade together and we can make a good amount of money. Thank you so much for today. May God bless you. Try again. Thank you so much for today. May God bless you trading and make you good profits. Thank you and have a fantastic